Welcome to another lesson here on Skillshare. Hi guys, my name is Clarice and I am a watercolor artist from Toronto, Canada. In this class, I am going to take you step by step on how to paint loose roses, loose basic flowers, leaves, tendril-like effects using the Princeton Petals brush and more. There's also a very special aspect to this class, and that involves, drum roll, you ready for it? Using a little bit of metallic watercolor with your florals. And I'm super excited to show you creative ways of how you can incorporate a little glitter and shine in your flowers for those special occasions or just because you like glitter. A template on how you can create your very own cute little watercolor envelope. I've listed the template as a download, so feel free to download the template, start your painting, do the lesson along with me, learn how to create your own flowers, do your own composition, spread it out on the sheet of paper, and then trace the template over it and cut it out and just follow the instructions. It's super easy.